Welcome back, everybody. Devin605 Sports Cards here. Thanks for joining me for another rip. I was going to avoid this product because I have not heard anything too good about these blaster boxes. But I stopped by Target today and they had them freshly restocked. So since they were easily accessible, I decided I'd give them a try. So we're going to do a little review into Panini Contenders Football here of 2022. There's a lot of stuff to go after in these boxes. They kind of give me a Rookies and Stars vibe, but it seems to be tough to, I'm going to chop right through it, but a lot of numbered cards, 49 to 1. You got autographs in here. I have seen a lot of autographs come out of these, but there are a lot of people you've never heard of. There's a chance for some one-of-one cards and rookies in this. If you're a just rookie chaser, this probably isn't your product. It is a very base heavy set with mostly the stars, and you get just like the Zenith or Rookies and Stars, you're going to get a swatch or autograph in each box on average. 8 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. So you can expect a mem card or an auto, but the base is pretty much all vets. You don't see any base rookies. There's only one insert per pack, so you're really going for those auto hits or maybe a one-of-one or a numbered card, and I have not seen very many of those come out of these blasters. So we're gonna get, this is a look at it, just your base. You're gonna see a lot of these. Pretty much the whole pack is, besides usually a couple cards in the back. Otherwise you're just getting a lot of veterans and legends in these season ticket cards of their base. T. Higgins in on the back, and there's just one of the inserts, nothing too flashy. Devontae Adams. So that's a look at one. There's your insert, and everything else just simple base. So we'll see. I don't know if I'll be buying much more of this. Just figured in the store, might as well check it out, do a little review. Give you guys something else to compare to if you have watching this open. Just a little bigger sample size here, and they were just restocking when I happened to stop in there, so it was a full case on the shelf and there wasn't a whole lot extra. There's a nice Joe Burrow. I do have a backwards card, so that might be an auto. Nope, it's thick. It's a mem probably. Don't know if they do RPAs or anything like that. Aaron Rodgers on the Contenders, so it's for the Jets. It looks like it's a Breece Hall on the patch. So there's where you can get your rookies. Seems like a lot of these will be rookies, the autos, mem cards. So nothing too exciting. See if we can find a numbered card or something out of the rest of this. All right, A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin, Adam Thielen, Herbert, Lamb, Mondre Stevenson, and another insert here of Harrison Smith. So, out of everything, these aren't too exciting to me, I don't think. The chance for an auto is nice, but other than that, a whole lot of base to sit on. And there's the legends or legendary Steve Young. A lot of base, and the one mem card and 5 inserts is really all you're going for in these, unless you happen to get lucky and get a low numbered card or that one-of-one. That's a fun chase, but you'd probably be better off just buying that stuff if that's what you're just looking for, if you're not into just opening a bunch of things. And LaDainian Tomlinson on the next one. Alright, so that was box 1. Didn't see a whole lot. See if we can do a little better on this one. Okay, like I said, I wasn't planning on really buying any of this, but it was in stock, and give you a look at it some more. Add to the base collection. And I think that's Breece Hall is our only rookie out of that whole box, so it is tough to collect a lot of rookies in this. Kirk Cousins, that's our backwards cards right off the bat here. Another mem, looks like it's thick. So Michael Carter, Aaron Donalds. Let's just flip it around. So Tyler Aguilar on the back. And it is going to be Trayvon Walker. And we do get on a rookie card in this one with Tyler Algier in the back. And Aaron Donald on the base. So far, a bust with just the 2 rookie patches. I'd hope for a little better than that. I have seen people, pretty much every other box be pulling autos out of it, but apparently I did not pick too well out of the pile of blasters. Nico Collins, Deontay Johnson, Kirk Cousins, and on the back, Randy Moss. Not a whole lot of bang for your buck in these from what I've seen. It's kind of the worst part of Donruss, of just a ton of base without really any rookies. At least you get a lot of rookies out of Donruss. Leonard Fournette, James Robinson, and a Jerry Rice on the back. So a couple great receivers back in the day, back to back in those packs. And I'm going back on that rookie dry spell after the first 2 out of that first pack. Stephon Diggs, Daniel Jones. And we have another backwards card, so interesting. And we'll have a Daniel Hunter of the Vikings on the back. This looks like it's probably a numbered card. And that is Derek Carr. So not really who you're looking for, but there's a look at, looks like probably a silver. See what it says on the back here. Oh, there's the number. So it's out of 199. Number 1 of 199. And have Derek Carr there. So got his base and the ticket here. So there's a look at least one numbered card. I do like numbered cards. Obviously he's not a Raider, but anymore. Still nice numbered card. And our final pack of box 2. Josh Allen. I feel like you're just going to get a lot of the same in these base cards. There's only so many they can do. Deshaun Watson, Tyreek Hill, and our final card is Dak Prescott on the MVP. Here we go. Let's see if we can at least get 1 auto out of 3 boxes. Or if we were just that bad at picking them. I usually do most of my boxes at order them off Target. My picking skills don't seem to be great when I do stuff in store. Tyreek Hill, Davis Mills, Mike Evans, Christian Kirk, Hurts, Jerry Jeudy, a Zach Wilson year 2, and these are kind of cool inserts. So that's probably one of the better ones to get. At least it's rookies with Kenny Pickett and Aiden Hutchinson. 2 of the rookies you're looking for. I've only seen these with vets on them, so that's a nice one to get. 2 good players that are rookies. All right, Travis Kelce, Joe Burrow, Mike Williams, Javonte Williams, Geno Smith, and looks like we were 3 for 3 with the mem cards, so looks like we'll have another one of these dual touchdown tandems. I have not seen that one yet, so that one's kind of cool with Jared Goff and Amon-Ra St. Brown. So cool insert there. And here is our patch of Trey McBride for the rookie card. So Skunk 3 for 3 patch cards. Because that means we're going to go back and grab another one from around where I grabbed these. There should be an auto hiding somewhere, you'd think. We might do one more box of these, just kind of keep them in the closet. I'm planning to do a decent sized rip of a good variety of all the products that have come out this year for retail. So maybe we'll stick one more in the shelf if we're going to do that. David Montgomery, Tua, another Amon-Ra St. Brown, there's a Tom Brady, and Rookie of the Year, Zamir White. So getting a few more rookies out of these last box. And our final 2 packs. I want to thank you guys for watching the videos. Be so kind to hit that subscribe button. It's very appreciated, and continue to grow the channel so I can, maybe do some giveaways and buy a little bigger items for maybe hobby and some more H2 boxes in the future. And here's a Gladiators of Ronnie Lott. Just kind of an insert, no number or nothing. All right, final pack. Hope you guys enjoyed getting a little peek at these, and let me know if you decide to buy some, or if you're going to be avoiding this product and maybe waiting for Optic or something else to come out here. Michael Thomas, and another one of Mike Evans and Marshawn Lattimore. So got a couple of those. Nothing too special, I don't think. Just an insert. We'll go back and take a look at our best cards. Nothing too good, but so we have Ricky Zamir White, Trey McBride on the patch. Nice touchdown tandems of Goff and Amon-Ra. Probably one of our better cards is this one with the first rounders of Kenny Pickett and Aiden Hutchinson on it. And our only numbered card of Derek Carr out of 199, number 1 out of it. Trayvon Walker. And a Breece Hall patch with a Tyler Algier on the rookie card. So that'll do it for contenders. Overall, it's going to probably be towards the bottom of products for me this year. Just not a lot of excitement. You don't get much for color. Not a lot of inserts, and the rookies are tough to come by. Chance for one-of-ones, autographs. So if that's what you'd like to chase, maybe more of a product for you. But for me, I'll probably stay away from it and see what else comes out here the rest of this year. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.